going on, everyone? Got a 2023, 2024 Chevy Colorado here. I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin filter if you want to replace it, check it. It's going to be located behind your glove box here, so we're going to need to lower the glove box door. To do that, we're going to need to push the door in past the stoppers you have here on the sides, on both sides. And once you do that, it will lower down like this. Up here is where the cabin filter is located, in this box right here. And so this is the door right here on the front, and to lower it you have these tabs you need to push in and pull towards you. There's actually two of them, but you might have to push and pull this one too. This one I didn't have to do it. They're not very strong, so just pull the door down. It doesn't come off, it just comes down. And there's our filter right here. We can just pull it out. And this is a fairly new car, so whenever I get around to putting in the part number in the description box, I'll put that in there for you. This is actually the AC Delco one right here, and I'll have a link to Amazon where you can buy one if you need one. But right here it shows you the airflow that's going down in this car, so whenever you get your new one, make sure you put it in exactly how this one came out, with the airflow going down. All I have to do is put the filter in, close the door, and close the glove box, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me, and possibly leave me a comment.